Assalamualaikum for class. In your previous lecture, we have started lesson number 8, the kitchen, and we read this poem. Now we will solve exercise, page number 25. First of all, comprehension. So, first question, question number A, answer with reference to the context. You know, many times we have done before, so it's not difficult. First, this is a sentenza. Read this. A home is made of many rooms to rest, to sleep, to shower, to play and read and talk a lot. Do hobbies by the hour. So, first of all, we will write its reference. So, students, check from which poem these lines have been taken. These lines have been taken from the poem The Kitchen, written by anonymous. Mean we don't know the writer name. So, the next is the context. So, context is, in this poem, students, poet wants to highlight the importance of kitchen in our home. Actually, it is a place of fantasy where anyone can fulfill his or her dream, as poet says that the kitchen is the best of all the rooms in which the hidden treasures are found. So, students must read the context from your notes. So, question number A, which activity in the above lines refers to maintaining proper hygiene? So, check in the line. So, read these lines, then check which activity in the above lines refers to the maintaining proper hygiene. To shower. Shower is maintaining proper hygiene. So, the question number B, which activity do you like the best and why? So, it is up to you which activity you like the most. Rest, sleep, shower, play, read or talk. Question number C, what is meant by the hour? So, it is a word meaning by the hour, mean at every moment. Clear? Question number 2, this is our sentenza again. To touch, to smell, to visualize the wonders that occur, and then to taste, and then to taste results of things that were. So then you will see that from which poem these lines have been taken. Then you will write the reference, then context, reference and context of same of this poem. Now come to the question number A. What wonders is the poet talking about? Poet किस चीज के बारे में हैरान है? So, students, the answer is of this question number A. The poet is talking about the wonder which happens during making a dish when it gives taste. Clear? Question number B. Why has and then to taste been repeated in the third line? You can see in the third line, then to taste and then to taste and then to taste and then to. Why this is repeated 2 times? So, answer is, after making a dish, it is difficult to believe. After making a dish, it is difficult to believe whether it is good in taste or not. So that's why we check the taste of the dish again and again for the better results and add some more ingredients to make it more delicious. Clear, students? That's why this line is repeated in the third line. Question number C. What things are being talked of in the last line? Clear? Last line में किन चीज़ों के बारे में बात की गई? So, students, the answer is, in the last line, poet is talking about the results of ingredients which are added in the dish. Clear? Students must learn this stanza and questions from your notes. Clear? These are given in your notes. Now come to the question number B. Write 5 describing words or phrases used by the poet for the kitchen. Kitchen के बारे में poem में poet ने कौन से अल्फाज यूज़ किए हैं? So, the question number 1. Example, made of dreams, transformed by elves, hidden treasure, wondrous mixture, cooking scheme by the hour. So first I will write, then you will write again. You will write transformed by elves. Clear? In this way you will write here hidden, meaning hidden treasure, then wondrous mixture, cooking scheme, by the hour. Clear? Now come to question number C. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. Why does the poet call the kitchen a room made of dreams? Clear? So answer is on your notes. What does hidden treasures in the last line of the poem mean? Why does the poet talk about elves in the fourth stanza? Why does the poet talk about fantasies in the poem? What does the poet mean by ingredients in the poem? Students, now come to the question number D. It's your turn now. Think and answer. Which room do you like most in your house and why? Now you will tell about, you will write a paragraph in your at your home that which room do you like the most and why. Clear? Thank you.